Alright, so this one naman is our penthouse, 114 square meters. Yan, sobrang lawak. Ito yung kitchen area. Yan, no? Then may laundry. Then yung stairs. Yan. Complete fixtures na rin yan. So this is the living room. Grabe ang ganda. Sobrang lawak. Yan. Tapos ito yung window. Tapos may balcony pa. Yan, may balcony yan siya. Yan. So this is again the penthouse bi-level unit, 114 square meters. Akyat tayo sa second floor. Ayan. So dito may sariling bathroom ulit. Ang laki. Then the first bedroom here. Ganda, may mga view. Then the second bedroom is here. Ito yung master's bedroom kasi may malaking bathroom. Yan. Tapos direct connect sa balcony din. May balcony din siya. Ayan. Ganda. Ito naman tayo sa kabila. Ito naman yung pangatlong bedroom. Ayan. So this is 3 bedrooms, penthouse bi-level with balcony. 114 square meters. Sobrang ganda. Bagong-bago lang tong tower na to na turnover. So kaya brand new to. Ayan. So if you have any questions, pwede mag-actual viewing, send lang kayo ng message.